this night the moon is with the stars up above in your eyes. A fantabulous night to make romance beneath the cover of October sky. And all the leaves on the trees are falling to the sound of the breezes that blow. And I'm trying to please to the calling of your heartstrings that play soft and low. And are they nights that James seems to whisper and hush, and all the sound of moonlight seems to shine, and you'll blush. Can I just have one more dance with you, my love? Can I just make some more romance with you? Well, I wanna make love to you tonight. I can't wait till the morning has come. There and then I will make you my own. And every time I touch you, you just tremble inside.